2 CR 11622, State of Texas versus Jennifer Amber Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Warren Wolf and Ms. Hernandez.
And are you Jennifer Hernandez? Yes. Right. Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and State's Motion to Supplement Pending Motion to Revoke Probation with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Jennifer Amber Hernandez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 11622 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on April 10th, 2023 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jennifer Amber Hernandez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, September, October, November, December 2023, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? I'm sorry.
State waives the remaining violation allegations.
Any objections?
None.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Amend conditions for updated TAP recommendations, which are to restart Alpha Home Program.
All right, why would I go along with that? She's been missing. And didn't I previously order Alpha Home?
There were some issues, Judge. She is in a different place at this moment as far
What were
as
the
her-
issues with Alpha Home? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jennifer Amber Hernandez.
All right, I ordered her to be released to Alpha Home only. So, first question, were you released to Alpha Home?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so why were you
I
not unsuccessful?
I started using again after I was there. It was really a good program. I got in touch with the people I shouldn't have got in touch with, and I relapsed.
All right, I don't see why I should follow this agreement because she was in a good program. This is not a situation where there's some miscommunications on my orders. She was ordered into Alpha Home. I did not allow her to be released to go on her own to Alpha Home. What I did was I ordered her to be transferred from custody to Alpha Home. She was. And then what the state has just read to me, she has been missing since July of 2023. So I don't understand why I should continue her.
Well, Judge, I've had an opportunity to talk with her about her situation now. She's a little older and a little wiser, and she understands her situation. From the beginning, when I first talked to her, she was reaching out for help. She's serious about it. Sometimes it doesn't ring true, and I appreciate, Judge, your willingness to help her at that time. Drugs are hard. Yeah, you know the story that it's sometimes difficult to face, and it takes, you got to hit rock bottom. It's got to hit you. Sitting in jail, she's come to that understanding, that place where I think she's in a position where she understands that she needs help. That was the first thing she ever said to me when I spoke with her.
Yes.
When I was out there in the streets, I learned a lot, and it was way harder on me. I haven't like lost myself. I thought I was losing my mental state. Using like it was to the point where like I started feeling like I was crazy, and I was in the streets. My mom came, I never
I'm
had
sorry, you were where?
in the streets, like in the streets. I was living from like house to house or whatever, and I kind of learned this past time, like I'm gonna night again, not willing to do that again. Like I don't want to do that. I hit rock. I mean, I hit rock bottom. When I came in here, I was like, you could see my bones from my face. I don't want to go through that again. I kind of, um, it wasn't me when I came back in here, but I really want help. They always end up sending me to like lockdown facilities, but I really love the alcohol. And the alcohol was
Oh, let me just tell you, you're not going back to the alcohol.
okay.
That's out of the question.
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to a lockdown facility because obviously being at the alpha home, if I were to continue, you would be going to a lockdown facility. These are your choices. And do you deserve these choices I'm about to give you? Probably not, because you've been missing since 2023. But I'm taking in consideration the nature of the case that you're on probation for and the fact that you have someone who needs their restitution paid. So this is what's going to happen. You are either going inpatient treatment at a lockdown facility or felony drug court, or I can sentence you today and I'll sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility. Those are your choices. Those are the only choices you have. Do not ask me about outpatient treatment. Do not ask me if you can do it on your own. Those are the only choices you have. All right. Probation. This is what's going to happen. She's pled true to violation of condition number 4. I see that her probation length is for 5 years.
That's less than a year left on probation, Judge.
It's been probation in 23.
Yeah.
5 years would be 28.
Yes.
Judge, she expires April 2025. The underlying sentence was 5 years.
Yeah, she should be from 2023. That's when she was placed on probation for 5 years.
She was placed on probation for 2 terms,
No.
2 years,
I placed her on probation for 5 years.
and that would be 20 years.
Okay.
Judge, what's notated was, it was state jail, suspended and probated for 5 years,
Yes.
started on April 10th, 2023. So our system seems to be incorrect.
Okay. All right. then.
So she would not expire until 2028.
All right. And I see that your recommendation, at least probation's recommendation, the office is recommending that she be continued. This is what the court will do. Yes. Yeah. I don't know who's making these recommendations. She's been gone since 2023.
Yes, Judge.
All right. So I'm finding number 4 true. I'm going to deny the motion. I don't know if you're going to be successful on this or not. I'm going to alternate amend conditions. Do you need an updated TAP or can I send her to safety?
Judge did a top evaluation. There are a couple of offenses that are going to prohibit her into any lockdown facility unless those are taken into consideration.
All right, if you all can step back and see what offenses probation is speaking of. Because if she has open cases, there's an issue.
Familiar with them.
What is the open case?
Assault, peace officer, harassment, public servant, Your Honor.
All right, and so when y'all are making these offers, why do you all think that I do not need to know this? Because nobody told me that she has open pending cases. What is happening with these? I just been given this. What is happening with these open pending cases?
They're subject to review and they haven't been presented to the grand jury. We talked about this the last time we were here. We were not gonna, I know you didn't want to get involved in plea negotiations.
Because there was supposed to be a contested hearing today.
That was on the MTR because of the circumstances, but we've come to an agreement. Different prosecutor, we were able to have a meeting of the minds.
And Judge, the officer, supervising officer is present today.
Did y'all even confer with the supervising officer before y'all reach y'all agreement? Did anybody talk to the person who was subpoenaed to be here?
I didn't speak.
Why would you all approach me? And I keep saying, talk to probation, and this is a contested hearing, and probation has brought this officer here who's needed back, looking at other people. You all need to go confer with her.
A woman who disappeared while on probation walked into court, hoping for another chance. But Judge Stephanie Boyd had serious questions. Jennifer Hernandez admitted she violated her probation by failing to report for more than a year after being released to a treatment program she was specifically ordered to complete. Instead, she relapsed, left the program, and spent months living on the streets while struggling with addiction. Her attorney argued that Jennifer had finally hit rock bottom and was ready to change, but the judge wasn't convinced. Judge Boyd made it clear that trust had already been broken once and refused to send her back to the same treatment program. Instead, she gave Jennifer only two options: enter a secure inpatient treatment facility or felony drug court, or face a 1-year state jail sentence. As the hearing continued, the judge discovered Jennifer also had pending criminal charges that hadn't been disclosed during plea discussions, leading to sharp criticism of everyone involved. In the end, Judge Boyd emphasized that second chances come with accountability, and that real recovery requires structure, honesty, and responsibility.